I'm Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness, and today I'm going to show you how to do a straight arm plank. In order to do any plank, you can use an exercise mat or you can use the floor. You're going to get down on your hands and your knees in tabletop position. You're going to place your weight on your toes, then you're going to lift your body up to form a larger tabletop position. If you feel your body starting to sink, take your belly button and push it up towards the sky. You're going to hold this position for the allotted amount of time, making sure that your back is flat enough to place a book on top of it. Make sure that your head is facing down to align your spine. When you're done, place your knees down first and walk your hands back until you sit on your knees. And that is how you do a straight arm plank.